In this video, we are going to see the types of cyber threats and also the difference between computer security and cyber security. In the previous video, we have seen what is computer security and the types of computer security threats. And in this video, we are going to see the types of cyber security threats. So before going to see we can see the difference between the computer security and the cyber security. Computer security deals with securing endpoints like computers, laptops, servers, virtual machines with antivirus, malware protection to vulnerability management. But the cyber security deals with protecting information, keeping it safe and secure from unauthorized access like hackers. So this computer security deals with the securing computers, and this cyber security deals with protecting the information in the machines. So this is the key difference between computer security and cyber security. Now we can move on to see the types of cyber security threats. What is a cybersecurity threat particularly? It refers to any possible malicious attack that seeks to unlawfully access data, disrupt digital operations, or damage the information. So this particularly is about the cybersecurity threat, and we can move on to the types of threats. There are 5 common types of cybersecurity attacks. They are malware, denial of service, password attacks, and SQL injection attack and phishing. So we can see them one by one. First, we can see what is malware attack. And malware is a malicious software such as spyware, ransomware, viruses, and worms. Malware is activated when a user clicks on a malicious link or attachment, which leads to installing dangerous software. So this is about the malware. And then we can see the denial of service attack, and this is the type of cyber attack that floods the computer or network so that it cannot respond to requests. So distributed denial of service attacks does the same thing, but the attack originates from the computer network. So cyber attackers often use a flood attack to disrupt the handshake process and carry out a denial of service attack. Then we can move to the password attacks, and with the right password, a cyber attacker has access to a wealth of information we know. So it is a strategy that cyber attackers use that relies heavily on human interaction and often involves tricking people into breaking standard security practices. And then we can move on to the SQL injection attack, where the structured query language injection is a type of cyber attack that results from inserting malicious code into a server that uses the SQL. And when infected, the server releases the information, and submitting the malicious code can be as simple as entering into a vulnerable website search box. So this is how an SQL injection attack takes place. And then we can move on to phishing, and these attacks use fake communication such as email to trick the receiver into opening it and carrying out instructions inside, such as providing a credit card number. And the goal is to steal sensitive information like credit card data and login information, or to install malware on the victim's machine. So this is how this phishing attack takes place. And subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.